Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rushell. Please go ahead and click that subscribe button and also turn that notification bell on. To my longtime viewers and subscribers, welcome also. Today I'll be showing you guys how I do my rice and gungo. So if you want to see this, stay tuned after this short intro. So guys, as I said, I'll be showing you guys how I do my rice and gungo to get the perfect rice and gungo every time. You know, sometimes some people cook rice and gungo and it is so white. It's just white. This one I'll show you how to get it red. You know, that red brown look, like you use the red peas or the kidney beans. Yes, because white gungo rice now gone away. You need it to look so delicious and taste so delicious, and I'll show you how to get this right every time. So right now I have my gungo rice here, and I've went ahead and washed them about 3 times because, you know, these gungo were not picked by me, and even if it was picked by me or shelled by me, I would still have washed them. So, you know, hands might not be clean when picking the gungo, so, you know, wash it, give it a thorough wash to, you know, get rid of all of those impurities. So guys, I have it in my pot right here, and I've added some water to it, and I'm just going to put this on the stove and let it boil, and you will see how to get the perfect gungo. So just stick around, all right? My gungo is on the stove, and my stove is on medium, and I'll just cover this and let it get to a boil, and you guys will see how I will be doing this perfect gungo, peas and rice. So guys, as you can see, our gungo is boiling now, so I'll just let this continue to boil until there's a little bit of water left in the pot, and then I'll show you guys how you get that nice red gungo rice. Where y'all go with white gungo rice? As you can see, the water is almost finished out of the pot, and this is exactly going the way I want it to. We're not exactly there as yet. I want the water to reduce some more, but look at the water. You see that water is red, and that's what we want. You have to let your peas, you have to let your gungo water suck all the way down for you to get the color that will allow your rice to be red or have that brown color. You don't want that white rice with peas. So we're at that stage now, guys. So I'm going to add fresh water to the gungo, and when this water reduces to where I want it, then I'll add my coconut milk, and I'll also add my seasoning like my scallion, my thyme, my pepper, my garlic, and also my salt and butter. This is the amount of water that I added to the pot, and I'll just leave this to come to a boil, then add my seasoning to it. I need a lot of water in my pot when I'm adding my rice, because I'm using parboiled rice, because that's the type of rice that I like when I'm cooking rice and peas or rice and gungo, because it's a lot firmer, and you guys already know this, me love shelly rice. So let's just cover this and allow it to boil, add our seasoning, and then you guys can see the finished product or midway through. Do remember to like, comment, subscribe, guys. Subscribe, and also share to friends and families. Thank you. So guys, just look at this. Water is all pretty red. So I'm about to pop my seasoning in. So wait, guys. Added my salt, and now in goes my seasonings. My butter. So time to add my coconut milk. So look how beautiful that is, guys. So I'm going to add my parboiled rice to this now. I've just added my rice to the pot and I'm going to cover the pot and leave it to do its thing. So you guys stay tuned for the update. My pot is boiling now, so I'm going to go ahead and turn down my flame all the way down to low because I'm using parboiled rice again, guys. Now you know this rice is very hard. It takes a lot of water to cook it, so when it starts boiling, it's good to just turn down that flame to low. So I finished cooking my rice and gungo, guys, and look at that. This is pure beauty, guys. Pure beauty. No white rice and gungo around here. This has color. I'll plate some and then you guys can see what I'm talking about exactly. So guys, this is my dinner and it is looking also good. To see that rice and gungo is just perfect. No white gungo, it's brown, almost have that color like when you're cooking rice and peas. That is exactly what you want. So if you follow the way that I show you guys, you should get the perfect rice and gungo every single time. So guys, thank you for watching. Do remember to like, share, comment and subscribe. Until then, lovies, walk good. Mwah.